Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna make this Bluetooth car using Arduino, HC05 Bluetooth module, L298N motor driver and a custom made acrylic sheet for the car body. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before that, this video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products at a reasonable price. Check them out. Link is in the video description.
To make this Bluetooth car, we will need an Arduino Nano board, L298N motor driver, a Bluetooth module, 2 wheels, 2 bow motors, a small breadboard, 2 9-volt battery clips, 2 9-volt batteries, a small ball bearing wheel and also a custom made acrylic sheet. Refer the schematics before wiring so it would be more easier. Take out the L298N motor driver and connect wires from the bow motors. After that, fix the Arduino Nano board to the breadboard. Then connect wires from D4, D5, D6 and finally D7 to the pins of L298N IN1, IN2, IN3 and finally IN4. Take the HC05 Bluetooth module and fix wires from RX, TX, ground and 5V of the module to Arduino, RX, TX, ground and finally the 5V. To power the L298N motor driver, fix the 9-volt battery clip to the power connectors. Also, attach a male-to-male jumper cable from the 5V rail of the L298N motor driver to the 5V supply of Arduino Nano. To power the Arduino Nano, fix the 9-volt battery connectors. Apply some hot glue to the ball bearing to fix the ball bearing beneath the acrylic sheet. After that, fix the wheels to the bow motor. Apply some hot glue to the bow motor to fix it on acrylic sheet. Make sure you have got the right clearance with the acrylic sheet. To finish the build, place the remaining components on the top of the car. Make sure you have fixed it with some hot glue. After that, open Play Store on your Android device and search for Arduino Bluetooth RC car. Install the application on your smartphone. You can get the downloading link from the video description. Open the Arduino code. Go to Tools, select the right board name. Also, select the right COM port. Once it's done, click on Upload. Before uploading, make sure you have removed the RX and TX pin of the Bluetooth module. Open the application and connect to the Bluetooth module. This is how you can make your very own DIY Bluetooth car. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Sanomodi signing out.